In the heart of the Amazon rainforest, a tiny creature defies expectations. The bullet ant, known for its excruciating sting, has a unique role in the ecosystem. Tasked with defending its colony, this ant's sting is said to be the most painful of any insect, likened to being shot by a bullet. When threatened, it releases a potent venom that deters predators, ensuring the survival of its community. Despite its fearsome reputation, the bullet ant plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of its environment. By controlling pest populations and aerating the soil, it contributes to the health of the rainforest. This tiny titan, through its formidable defense mechanisms, highlights the intricate and delicate balance of nature's ecosystems. So next time you think of ants, remember the bullet ant's powerful impact on its world.